It's the River Liffey right here. A song called the Ferryman. All the little boats are gone from the banks of River Liffey. The ferryman is stranded on the quay. Sure, the Dublin docks is dying and our way of life is gone. Molly was part of you and me. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kissed away the worry from my brow. And I love you well today, love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me more, love me. 'Twas the only job I knew. It was hard but never lonely. Ferry had made a man of me, and it's gone without a whisper and forgotten even now. And it's over, Molly, over, can't you see? And the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kissed away the worry from my brow. And I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me more. What's up there, boy? Well, now I'll tend the yard, spend me days in talking. I'll hear them whisper, Charlie's on the door. Darling, where's the living? And darling, where's the young? And that river never own our heart and soul. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kissed away the worry from my brow. And I love you well today, and I love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me more, love me now. Where the strawberry beds sweep down to the Liffey, kissed away worry from my brow. And I love you well today, love you more tomorrow. If you ever love me more, love me now. If you ever love me more, love me now. Look at this guy. Nothing? Seagull's a jerk.